Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this HUAWEI smartphone. Begin with accessing settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Biometrics and Password section. Then select Lock Screen Password and click on Change Unlock Method. Then tap on the best one for you, 4-digit custom PIN, pattern or password. I will go with pattern. Now you need to create your login method and then repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're ready, click Done at the bottom right corner of it. And now you can choose Add in this pop-up to add your fingerprint as well. If you don't want to do that now, select Cancel. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I guess that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!